Hey there! Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of AP English Language and Composition. Are you ready to elevate your writing and critical thinking skills to new heights? This course is designed to do just that. AP English Language and Composition, often called AP Lang, is the perfect course to master persuasive writing, rhetorical analysis, and effective communication. It's not just about writing essays, it's about understanding the power of language. Whether you love to debate or just want to sharpen your writing, this class will challenge and inspire you. You'll find yourself thinking more critically and expressing your ideas more clearly. Let's break down what you'll learn in AP Lang. First up, rhetorical analysis. You'll learn how to dissect texts and identify persuasive strategies. This means understanding how authors use language to influence their audience. Next, argumentative writing. You'll craft compelling arguments supported by evidence. This skill is crucial not just for exams but for any situation where you need to persuade others. Then, synthesis essays. You'll combine multiple sources to create a cohesive, well-supported essay. This teaches you to integrate different viewpoints and data into a single, persuasive narrative. And finally, rhetorical devices. You'll master techniques like ethos, pathos, and logos to enhance your writing. These tools will help you appeal to your audience's ethics, emotions, and logic. Now, how tough is the AP English Language exam? It's a question many students ask. I'd rate it around a 7 out of 10. It's challenging, but definitely manageable with the right preparation. The challenge lies in analyzing complex texts, crafting clear arguments, and managing your time during the exam. But don't worry, with consistent practice, you'll get the hang of it. But with practice, you'll gain the skills to succeed. Your confidence will grow as you become more familiar with the material and the exam format. So, how can you excel in AP Lang? Let's talk about some strategies. First, read a variety of nonfiction, articles, speeches, and essays. This will expose you to different writing styles and techniques. Second, practice analyzing texts for rhetorical strategies and techniques. Look for how authors use language to persuade their audience. Third, write frequently. Focus on clarity, structure, and argument strength. The more you write, the better you'll get. And lastly, review past exam prompts to get familiar with the question styles. This will help you understand what to expect and how to approach different types of questions. Now, who should take AP Lang? This course isn't just for future English majors. If you're passionate about writing, debating, or analyzing text, this course is for you. It's perfect for anyone who loves to engage with ideas and communicate effectively. It's also great for those considering careers in law, journalism, marketing, or public relations. These fields require strong persuasive and analytical skills. Basically, anyone looking to enhance their critical thinking and persuasive skills will benefit from this course. It's a valuable asset in any career. AP English Language and Composition is more than just a writing class. It's your key to mastering the art of persuasion and clear communication. These skills will serve you well in all areas of life. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Embrace the opportunity to grow as a writer and thinker. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Knowledge Nexus for more AP tips and insights. See you next time.